Quinoa vegetable pilaf with miso soy glazed tofu. Prepare the ingredients. Place a saucepan on a high heat and add 1 cup of rinsed quinoa. Add 2 cups of water. Cover with a lid, bring to the boil, reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes or until the water has absorbed. Remove from the heat and set aside. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of white miso. Add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Slice 4 garlic cloves. Place the garlic and the ginger in the bowl and mix well. Add the cubes of tofu to the marinade and mix to coat all the tofu pieces, then set aside. Meanwhile, cut the kernels off 1 cob of corn. Finely dice 1 carrot. Finely dice 1 capsicum. Finely slice 4 shallots. Heat a frying pan over a high heat and add half a cup of water. Add the corn, capsicums, carrots and shallots. Then saute for 2 minutes until soft. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked quinoa and mix well. Heat a frying pan on a high heat. Add the tofu slabs. Grill until brown on one side. Turn over and grill until brown on the other. Add the marinade. Turn the tofu, remove the tofu and set aside. Add half to 1 cup of water to the marinade in the frying pan and stir to make a sauce. When boiling, remove from the heat. Divide the quinoa onto 4 plates, place tofu slabs on top, drizzle some sauce over and serve.